Hey Narcissists! Working out has zero to do with improving your health and fitness and everything to do with making you and your fractured ego feel more significant. So listen up to these 5 workout tips for narcissists. Use more weight than you can lift. You want to swing a weight to use momentum instead of muscle to lift it. Only idiots and actual athletes know that using your muscles to lift a weight will make you stronger and fitter. They don't know about the physiological mechanisms where when you overstress muscles and ligaments, it engages the most important muscle in your body, which is your ego. Always remember this equation: more weight equals I matter more as a person, even though it gives you a worse workout. Slam your weights down after each set. There's only one thing better than working hard in the gym, and that's sounding like you're working hard in the gym so you don't have to work hard. Accordingly, other people in the gym can be so closed-minded that they might start to pay attention to their own workout instead of you working out. People can be selfish. But if you strategically drop your weights after each set, it'll regularly startle people back into noticing you. As a bonus, people will quickly start to view you as one of the most considerate people in the gym, which will make them want to be around you. Scream while you're lifting. As you're swinging your way to the 8th rep of a set using the most artistically abstract form known to man, you're obviously not using your strength to lift the weight. That's why you need to use your voice to lift the weight. Yelling while you're lifting an incredibly non-record-setting weight creates an anti-gravity field that makes the weight move upwards. It also reminds people, hey, if you didn't hear me drop my weights a minute ago, here I am to be noticed. Then you drop your weights again. Monopolize all the equipment. Yeah, I'm using all this equipment I'm touching and all the equipment that I'm looking at too. When you're working out in a public gym, some people are ignorant enough to not know this is your private gym. Some of them are righteous enough to think the equipment should be shared. Don't let them kill your high-performance narcissism. Your livelihood depends on thinking that people who don't want to look at you want to look at you. Besides, if they have to wait on you doing 1 set of bicep curls and a squat rack every 5 minutes while you superset that with bruising your rib cage with bench press, then they'll be noticing you more. Wear children's-sized shirts. Tight sleeves suggest big arms. Because you know relativity isn't a thing, that guarantees that it's not tight sleeves making your arms look bigger, it's your big arms making your arms look bigger. And guys, if you have zero self-esteem, you can upgrade to wearing a baggy tank top that shows your nipples, because people want to see them, and you want to see people seeing your nipples. Prepare a protein shake as you're walking out of the gym. As you're leaving the gym after doing 3 minutes worth of work over the course of 2 hours, it's important to have a protein shake in your hand. It's a great final reminder to everyone about how important you are. You'll think that they think you take your half-assed workouts very seriously, and that'll remind you to think they admire you. With these workout tips, you'll be able to achieve higher levels of narcissism than you ever thought possible. Enjoy.
Thank you.